Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Don't get too close on them wheels.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, them are factory. Them aren't reps.
At least there's no linglongs on them.
Hey. Well, what's the difference? I got linglongs on half decent rims and you got nice tires on, yeah.
I just witnessed a fist fight I loves. Hilarious. R.I.P. Wing. That motherfucker self-tapped in the middle of the bed.
Alright, so James had made a decision. Traded the Schlongbed for this deal. And it kinda went funny, I guess would be the way to say it. Because old boy wasn't quite sure he was ready to let this truck go after he made the deal. And well, if y'all been around long enough, y'all know how James operate.
Shrewd negotiator.
So needless to say, the truck is his. The truck belongs to James now. And it's been
Hold on. Let me show him the best part of the whole truck.
it's been modified.
Let me show him the best part.
Oh. Oh. But what was this cat doing?
It's missing 2 cylinders.
Dude, I don't even remember my...
Oh yeah, you like the heat wrap on the plastic?
I don't remember my V6 cat eye being this open. I think I had a clutch fan this
Check
way.
out the spark plug boots. Trick.
Oh,
The long tubes on the V6.
shit, bud. Damn, what are you gonna do?
Should have seen all the stickers in here before.
I like this ground. It's nice and secure.
Barely.
It's there.
A real functional head scoop.
What?
He did just get the hood painted. So.
Yeah, you gotta give him kudos for that.
Got the new headlights and taillights.
Okay.
Spider paint. I don't know if that was intentional or not.
Sure. It was a test. It was a test, and he decided he didn't like it, so he stopped. I like your rolled fenders. That's fat. That cracks me up, dude. Who would put Nitto 420s on some foo-foo rims, spike caps, and a Chevy cap?
Look at the fucking tool for this foot glove.
What the fuck? What the hell?
Now I'll give him props. It does sound pretty good for a V6.
Have it. Tell your dad you want it.
We got to do the
At idle.
at idle. Okay, yeah. Let's see what we got. What do we got? Oh wow. Okay. It doesn't sound like a V6.
Oh,
It is an open loop right now, but it isn't connected all the way
I thought the motor was out of this.
Damn.
Oh.
So traded. Oh yeah, that's exactly what mine sounded like. There you go.
Yeah, he deleted the cats and also deleted the rear O2s of both banks.
I've seen it.
And I don't think he deleted it out of the tune. So it was like
They never
dying.
do.
I would drive, when I was driving, it would die. Like just while I was driving, so I had to stop it, restart it. Going up hills, it would hesitate. So yesterday, I disconnected all the O2s and it runs fine now. Rich.
James for sure did that.
I was fixing to say, did he do that or?
Oh, it's like a Whitebeard work right there.
No. No, the tire, the rubbing.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know how it's even rubbing. Maybe he had those on the front. I bet he did.
He filled the groove.
Switched them around.
Apparently.
I'll sell them to you. Trade you those over there.
Oh yeah, hey, that's fair. The Nishis, 24-inch Nishis for these. That's fair trade. These rims more your style, anyways, Chris.
Here's like the escalated there.
Oh shit.
Pretty cool. Different.
Gotta get the white beard dick hard right
Oh
there.
yeah.
Wood grain.
Trick.
You do that or is this as is?
Yeah, this is
I haven't
how.
touched nothing on it. I took off the wing and I took off all the stickers.
Had a wing on the tail?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can tell.
Spray painted.
You can tell it was here.
I took them all out. Yeah,
It was for sure here.
it was embarrassing driving around.
It was, yeah. Yeah.
Now, he missed the opportunity. I mean, he could have used the factory holes and riv nutted them. No.
Well, hey, not everybody works at Tinker, James. Okay.
Looks like he he missed that one. Had to go for a second
This looks
try.
like my old red truck.
Damn.
Now, them are easy to get.
So he's already picked up a 5.3, of course.
It's a 07, like the last 5.3. That's a 24 reluctor wheel.
Okay, so the last
VT.
third gen.
It's got like the second style head bolts in it.
Okay.
Returnless.
So they're straight. They're all equal length. Okay.
Returnless intake, drive-by-wire. I already got the pedal, the harness. I have everything. I was waiting on cam and stuff to come.
Ain't that bad?
I think pretty good.
Hell yeah. So Cam will come in shortly. We'll go over there and film that, buttoning the motor
Do
up.
it. I've already taken down all the way to short block. I've checked out all the bearings. Oh, I got all factory cross hatching in it. Had a little bit of cylinder rust, but I took some
Oh, that's cool.
navel jelly. It was only one cylinder. Took some navel jelly and some 4-aught steel wool.
Oh, okay.
Rust out of it.
Dude, quad-aught is nice for a lot of
Didn't
things.
fuck up nothing.
If y'all didn't know, you get you some quad-aught and rub down all your chrome shit with it, and it will make it shine, and it will not scratch it. But yeah, we're gonna get the 5.3 built.
Refreshed. BTR stage 2.
Yeah, so nice and simple, not too bad.
Take it to Billy Dixon.
Yeah,
get
unless your
the
dad
head
wants to
work
buy
done.
it.
And then
560 LS7 springs.
you won't have to mess
I'm
with.
gonna do a trunnion upgrade too, so
Okay, yeah, you're set.
Put a little spray in it.
Uh,
I want to rev that bitch to the moon.
See, Cletus has his James and I have my James. They're similar but different. I haven't figured out. I guess Mooney is our George. Speaking of Mooney, we're gonna pay him a visit here in a little bit. But anyways, yeah. So this is what I meant when I said the first and last cruise of the Low Country and the Schlongbed.
This is the definition of no chemo.
Oh yeah. Okay, you got this from a white kid, but like,
He went to South from one of those. So.
well, even then, I really don't think a white kid did all
It even
this.
had a Honda gas sticker on the window.
Oh, okay, yeah, okay.
And the Schlongbed has one on it now.
He bought it. He bought it from somebody like
Put one
this.
on the Schlongbed.
Oh, jeez. So if you see the Schlongbed rolling around now with a Honda gas sticker on it, that's the new owner. And yeah. But anyways, here's what we got. Another new little deal, and James is moving quick. He got that Tinker overtime money right now, so he's doing okay. So yeah, we'll get a little update on the engine once it gets some more parts in, and then we'll get
Pretty simple swap on this one.
yeah.
I mean,
And you won't
they
even
came
need a
with the-
converter with that, with the two. You're on the edge.
I'm gonna get a 2800 installed.
Oh yeah, you'll be set.
Run a cooler with it.
You'll be set.
Getting the stage 2. Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah. Yeah. They just want enough to feel like a little something.
I basically told Belk, send me everything you bought, and I bought everything you told me to buy.
That'll work. But yeah, here in a little bit we're gonna go over to Mooney's. He's gonna do a little riding over to his pop, so we'll finish the video out with that. What the hell, dude?
What's up,
I thought we were gonna come watch you ride.
Yeah, just a quick,
No, this is how we do things.
quick little change.
We're like, hey, dude, come over a little bit early before the race. We're gonna practice, and it's 3.5 hours postponing the race for an hour because we're trying to get somebody's chain fixed.
Or rebuild a whole bike.
Yeah.
Put a whole motor back together, slap it in. But yeah, we made it over here to Mooney's Pops compound. Mooney has professionally laid his bike over enough times that he needs new radiators now. He says it's because his radiators are overheating, but I agree with him. So we're gonna get these radiators changed, and
They're not overheating, they're just undercooling.
yes, right.
There you go.
So we're gonna get this situated and get you guys some nice shots of Mooney pretending to know how to ride to send us home while hungover, because somebody got a little too excited that OU barely beat Texas. So